choose pots. We have here a lovely Katsura, which has purple flowers, I think, in the formal upright shape, very well trained, quite a lot of density, and it's been planted in this round pot, which in fact is the type of pot that I would use for my wisterias. This shape I use a lot for wisteria trees because the bunches of flowers hanging down, and this pot, which is quite deep, raises the tree, so it's suitable for trees that have long hanging bunches of flowers. Since it's come for repotting, let's see what other pots could be used for this tree. This tree is a nice tree, but like everything else, it can be enhanced a lot. Pots are like the clothes that people wear. Some people say it's like the makeup or whatever, and you can do all sorts of things to make something look better than it actually does. After all, we are looking at a thing which is a thing of beauty, and beauty can always be enhanced. So let's try a drum pot. Now, if you try a drum pot, if you look at it from low this way, you can see that this look of the tree has changed quite considerably, because this is a shallower pot and it's got this nice circular shape, still suitable. Okay, so that's another choice. Let's try yet another pot. Now this is another mica pot, and if we take a nice low view, if you remember what it looks like, this makes it a grander tree because the longer pot gives it some expansive style. It somehow makes the tree look bigger. I don't know why, but it does make the tree look much bigger simply by changing the pot. The previous original pot made the tree look very cramped, so that's why I think that pot wasn't so suitable. This is an oval pot, very high quality Yixing pot, but even if I reduce the root ball, for some reason it's not quite right. So we had a democratic vote among 4 people here, and everyone came to the same conclusion. So all these great minds thought alike, and we came to the conclusion that this was the most suitable pot for the tree. So we're going to use this pot to put this lovely Katsura in.